Hi everyone, today's headlines. Assam Rifle restores road in border areas of Kifri. OPD and non-COVID essential services reactivated in CHC Jaluki. Nagaland records 37 COVID positive cases and 67 recoveries on October 26. Dussehra celebration worsened Delhi's air pollution woes. Vaccine hopes rise as Oxford jab prompts immune response among old as well as young adults. Training for micro-observers held at Kohima. ANTA VOCA unit condoled the demise of its financial secretary. News in details. Assam Rifle restore road in border areas of Kifri. Kifri Battalion of Assam Rifles under the aegis of HQ IGAR North assisted the villagers in restoring Akan Meluri Zipur Road on October 24 to 25, 2020, which was disrupted due to multiple landslides. A press release from PRO HQ IGAR North said that the road being the only lifeline for the residents of the border villages of Aken, Zippo and areas further south was cleared for resumption of traffic. OPD and non-essential services reactivated in CHC Jaluki. Chief Medical Officer CMO Parent Dr. Halthing Hang Singh has informed that OPD and other non-COVID essential services has been reactivated in Community Health Center, Jaluki with effect from October 26, 2020. Delivery points are designated at Zamsi Ram and Mainamtsi Sub-Center, while any nursing home Jaluki will continue catering of indoor patients referred from Government Health Institute with the existing nominal rate as fixed by the subcommittee of non-COVID hospital in the district. The notification said. Nagaland records 37 COVID positive cases and 67 recoveries on October 26. Nagaland reported 37 new COVID-19 positive cases yesterday, October 26, 2020. Taking the total count in the state to 8,663. Updated Nagaland Health Minister S. Pangiform yesterday. Among the new cases detected, 27 cases were detected in Kohima, 8 in Dimapur, 2 in Mon, updated Pangyu. Active cases stands at 1,833. Dussehra celebration worsened Delhi's air population woes. New Delhi appalling air quality turned a lot worse over the weekend as Hindus in India's capital burned effigies of the mythological demon king Ravana and lit firecrackers to celebrate the triumph of good over evil during the Dussehra festival. As pollution spiked on Monday morning, India Gate, a monument near the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's office, was blanketed in smoke. And the mega city, 20 million people breathe in very poor air, even hazardous in some places. Vaccine hopes rise as Oxford jab prompts immune response among old as well as young adults. One of the world's leading COVID-19 experimental vaccine produces an immune response in both young and old adults, rising hopes of a path out of the gloom and economic distraction wrought by the novel coronavirus. The vaccine developed by the University of Oxford also triggers lower adverse responses among the elderly. British drug maker AstraZeneca plc, which is helping manufacture the vaccine, said on Monday. Training for micro-observers held at Kohima. A training for poll day micro-observers of the by-election to the 14th Southern Angami 1 ST Assembly constituency was held at DPDB's Conference Hall, Kohima on October 26, 2020. The micro-observers were briefed by the General Observer S.K. Pradhan IAS, Deputy Commissioner and District Election Officer Kohima, Muhammad Ali Shihab, and AEO Kohima Shimeran Iyer. A total of 24 micro-observers attended the training, said a DIPR report. ANTA VOCA unit condoled the demise of its financial secretary. The All Nagaland Taxi Association VOCA unit condoled the sudden demise of its finance secretary late K. Bibanthang Shithiri on October 24, 2020 at Dr. MM District Hospital, VOCA. In his demise, the association has lost a dedicated social worker which had left a large vacuum and will be difficult to fill the gap, said ANTA VOCA unit in the condolence message. The unit expressed heartfelt sympathies to the departed soul and the bereaved family members. May God give strength to the family members to bear the grief and great pain during this hour. That's all for our 2KSS latest news. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.